Hi mga ga, I'm Isaac, your Ginoong Intramurals 2024. If you're looking to level up your career journey, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the admission process for graduate students. Step 1. Email enrollment@umindanao.edu.ph and send your letter of intent, program choice, contact info, and scans of your TOR and ID. Wait for that result email before moving on. Step 2. Secure your GSTC and PS slips using the links, then head on to student.umindanao.edu.ph to fill out your SGIS. Take note of your reference number as it will be used as your account number for your down payment. Step 3. Pay your down payment. Use the cashier for instant validation or bank and payment centers if you can wait 2 to 3 days. Check your SMS for your student ID and access code. If it's quiet, just give the cashier a call. Step 4. Log in to portal. Click yes for subjects and list your schedule and hit submit final. That's your temporary Form 1. Step 5. Check your new email into portal, then head to admissions to sign and claim your copy of your official printed Form 1. Step 6. Proceed to the ID processing area. Congratulations mga ga! You're now officially part of the University of Mindanao Graduate School. Good luck on your next educational endeavor.